عزيز عبدي علي عبدي قادر أحمد شيخ عبد الفتاح محمود حرسي محمود حرسي أحمد إيو الليبان محمد محمود يوسف محمد علي مقتل عباس محمود نور إذل دعالة نمعو عبد علي وعن ربا مركو وقوه الرئيسة إن المسج كيسا أن نقيسنو حرسي أحمد شيخ.
Hi, my name is Kaftan Ma'aha. I am 11 years old. I would like to say thank you for taking this time to be part of the benefit tonight. I would like to share a little bit of the history of Ogaadeeniya with you. Ogaadeeniya is the name of the country, not the name of the people. It lies the west of Oromia. It's the Republic of Djibouti to the north. Kenya is the south and the Somali Republic to the east. The people who live there are Somalis who share a single language, a single culture, and a single religion. Ogaadeeniya is the center of Somali culture and heritage. It is the cradle of revolutionary heroes. The Ogaadeeniya people were running free, independent, and powerful until colonial powers from overseas came to Ogaadeeniya. In 1884, colonists captured Haraj and started raiding the Ogaadeeniya Somalis and causing chaos and destruction. They were killing innocent people and selling them as slaves. In 1935, Italy invaded Abyssinia along with Ogaadeeniya. The British transferred the first part of Ogaadeeniya, Digdiga area to the Ethiopians. Then in 1954 and 1956, the next parts were transferred to Ethiopia. The Ethiopians' occupation of Ogaadeeniya has caused poverty and destruction for more than a century. And that's why the history of Ogaadeeniya often associated with dark pictures of war and disaster. Freedom is the base of human life, and unfortunately, there is no freedom and no democracy in Ogaadeeniya. It's most notable, however, that the independence of the Somali Republic in 1960. The struggle of Somali people of Ogaadeeniya were not separated from other others. Somali struggle for independence at the period of Ogaadeeniya liberation was not intended alone, but for the liberation of all lands inhabited by Somalis from colonialism. Sayyid Muhammad Abdullah Hassan and Ahmed Gurey were the first great leaders. My grandfather, Kaftan Ma'aha, who I am named after, who loved independence for the Somali people, said, "Wild animals should be free." Somalia, the promise of keep to my people is to become a doctor and serve them well. I will help to fight diseases that nearly extinct our race.
Thank you. Adia Balmat Santahay, Hirsi Ahmed Sheikh. Waxaan u yeerayaa waan rabaa isagana message-kiisa inaad maqashaan. Hirsi Maxamuud.
Hi, my name is Hirsi Mahmoud, and I am 12 years old. I would like to thank you for your time. I would like to thank every human being free to make their own decisions and that no human being can own another. That is the road my grandfather Hirsi Mahad took, and I will follow in his footsteps. In fact, the injustice and human rights violation caused upon the Somali people in the Ogaadeeniya days because of the Ethiopian occupation a century ago. Ogaadeeniya presents one of the most consistent cases of human rights violation in the world. Not only the rights that are important for maintaining a human dignity, such as culture, economy, social, and political rights are denied, but the very basic rights of life is liberty, which are the majority of mankind, are also denied. Human rights violations in Ogaadeeniya include illegal imprisonment, arrest without charges or trial, enforced disappearance, torture, rape of young women, many of them bleed heavily and die. Some transmitted HIV disease transmitted by Ethiopian soldiers. Killing innocent people without any reason, forced labor, hostage taking, looting,
We appeal to the organization, governments, and all international community to stop these violations on these innocent people. Ogaadeeniya needs justice and freedom. Ogaadeeniya needs justice and freedom. Ogaadeeniya needs justice and freedom. Ogaadeeniya haroodo. Ogaadeeniya haroodo. Somalia raaco. Somalia raaco. I will promise to my people to be a professor of education and help my people to come out as literacy and ignorance caused by the Ethiopians.
Thank you. Hirsi Mohammed. waxaan isagana speech yar ka dhageysanaynaa Liibaan Mohammed.
My name is Liibaan Mohammed Hassan. I'm 13 years old. I love the freedom for the people of Ogaadeeniya.
I would like to tell you about the article of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights that does not work in Ogaadeeniya. Article 1 in human rights states that all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. Article 2 in the Declaration states that everyone is entitled to all rights freedom set forth in the Declaration without distinctions such as race, color, and religion. Article 3 in Declaration of Human Rights proclaims the right to life, liberty, and security of persons of Geneva Conventions of August 1949. Principle of humanity must be safeguarded in all situations. Ogaadeeniya needs justice and freedom. Ogaadeeniya needs justice and freedom. Ogaadeeniya needs justice and freedom. I would like to keep my promise to get my people out of starvation. Ogaadeeniya ha haroodo. Ogaadeeniya ha haroodo. Ogaadeeniya ha haroodo. Soomaaliya ha israacdo. Soomaaliya ha israacdo. Soomaaliya ha israacdo.
Thank you. waxaan hadda speech yar ka dhageysanaynaa isagana Maxamed Maxamuud Yuusuf.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Mahmoud Yusuf. I am 10 years old. Article 54, protection of objects indispensable to the survival of civilians, population of protocols additional to Geneva Convention of August 12, 1949 states that starvation of civilians as a method of warfare as prohibited, such as foodstuffs, horticulture area for the production of foodstuffs, crops, livestock, and drinking water. Nevertheless, everything is different in Ogaadeeniya. Hundreds of children, women, students, politicians, elders have been detained, tortured, disappeared, or killed by Ethiopian forces because race, religion, or politician opinion. Ogaadeeniya needs justice and freedom. Ogaadeeniya needs justice and freedom. I would like to keep my promise to my people out of starvation. Ogaadeeniya ha haroodo, Soomaaliya ha israacdo.
هذه ayaad u mahadsan tahay. waxaan rabaa haddana inaan u yeero Maxamed Ali Makhtal Daahir.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ali Makhtal, and my grandfather Makhtal Daahir and many others were found in the Ogaadeeniya Revolution. They lived solid principle, which is freedom. They were against the Ethiopian occupation. The Ogaadeenian people have lived like slaves more than a century. As long as I am alive, I will follow my grandfather Makhtal and many others. Ogaadeeniya will be free. Ogaadeeniya will be free.
aad baad u mahadsan tahay.